Well, sometimes duty calls and you have to do things you may not necessarily want to do. I'm gonna try to get out of this driveway. And for safety purposes, I won't be able to film it. So, you'll have to keep watching to see if I make it out or not. Well, update, I made it out. Now, I'm almost in worse, well, it just has bad conditions. What I'm doing right now is being a good Samaritan, and I'm gonna try and pick up someone to get them to work. Because I'm driving the Beast, so that makes a big difference. So let's see how this works out. Okay, so technical difficulties kind of happened. So the camera got switched to photo mode, and so there's like 2,200 pictures. But I went through some of the best ones and some really good photos. So keep watching this video because what happens next, it's worth watching because you get to see some really, really cool fit pictures. Sadly, you're missing out on some hysterical banter, but keep watching.